Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a new brand created by Sophie and Toffee called PollyPop. These brand new subscription boxes come with pre-cut acrylic pieces, glue and findings to assemble and create your own jewellery and accessories. The very first PollyPop box is launching on May 20th and it is Snow White themed, so that's what I'm going to be showing you how to make in this tutorial today. Here you can see what the items look like inside the box. So each project comes in a separate bag and it also includes the glue and the findings as well. On the bottom here are some instructions which are all color coded and labeled so that you can easily identify the acrylic pieces that you need to follow the step-by-step instructions to put everything together. You'll also notice here that there is a little code, so it includes the different levels of difficulty. Here I'm just taking the pieces out of the bag, and before you go ahead and begin assembling each project, you firstly have to peel away the protective layer on both sides of the acrylic pieces. So on some of the pieces it's just a clear plastic, and then on others it's more of a brown paper finish. I ended up just really carefully using my blade because it was a bit hard to use my nails, and I pulled up the edge of the protective layer so then I could just easily peel the rest of it off. So before beginning assembling all the projects, I went ahead and removed all of the protective layers. And this part was a little bit fiddly and time consuming, so I would suggest if you plan on making these projects with kids or someone younger to firstly remove the protective layers yourself, and then everything is just ready to go and all prepared. So I'm starting off with a simple project first, which is labeled as the beginner or easy level, and these are the earring designs. So you can see that I firstly put down some blue tack onto my work surface just to hold the base in place so that it didn't move around while I was applying the glue. Then I found the process just really simple to construct everything. It was just a matter of adding a little bit of glue at a time and then attaching on the different pieces. You can see that I'm also using a pair of tweezers to help me more accurately position everything together, and I definitely recommend using some tweezers because some of the pieces are quite small and fiddly, and it is a little bit hard to hold them in your fingers. Next, I'm moving on to the mirror design, and of course you can see me in the mirror there. This particular design was labeled as the medium level, and I would definitely say that's true if I'm comparing it to the other items included. I did actually have a lot of fun putting everything together. Of course, once you have all the protective layers peeled off and I had all my pieces laid out and ready to go, I found the process really quite relaxing, and it was almost like a puzzle trying to put everything together. I also found the instructions really simple to follow as well. I also do like the fact that this subscription box gave me a little bit of a break from resin, and it just gave me something new to try out. So these boxes can be bought as subscription boxes from the Sophie and Toffee website, or they can also just be a one-time purchase as well. It just depends on the option that you choose in the store. And of course this particular box is Snow White themed, but they are collaborating with Disney and Warner Brothers as well to bring other limited edition designs, and once these kits are sold out they're not going to be restocked again. So you can see once I put everything together, it was then just a matter of adding all the findings using my pliers, and then here are what the finished pieces look like. They turned out really bright and colourful, and the glue also didn't take too long to dry either, which is definitely of course a bonus. Here are the first two pieces I made, which are originally designed to be earrings, but I don't have my ears pierced, so I turned them into charms just using some of my own lobster clasps. This one here is the harder leveled main project of the box, I would say, and this is what it looks like. You can also see that the PollyPop logo is engraved onto the back of each piece. And then finally we have the mirror. The only downside with my mirror piece is that I found it got this foggy look to it, and I think that's just where the glue has dried behind it. I'm honestly not entirely sure if that's just something I did or that's just what it looks like when you put glue behind a mirror. So anyway, that is everything for this tutorial, and I really hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and you can find more info down in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for lots more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.